It's shocking to think that investing just $250 a month can make you a millionaire. But what's even more astonishing is that it takes an incredible 42 years to reach this milestone. But don't worry, we're about to break down exactly how this number is calculated, and I'm excited to show you the math behind making your money grow. 42 years is a long time, but it's not just some abstract concept. It's the amount of time you'll have to wait before your consistent monthly investments turn into $1 million. That's right, 42 years of putting in $250 every month and an assumed annual return of 8% will get you to that goal. Think about all the milestones and experiences you'll have in those 42 years: birthdays, weddings, kids growing up, and more. It's a reminder that patience and consistency can pay off big time. So you're investing $250 every month, which might seem like a small amount, but as we'll see, it's actually a crucial part of reaching our goal. This monthly investment is just the starting point in our journey to becoming a millionaire in 42 years. Now that we've established our goal of reaching $1 million, let's talk about how we're going to get there. The assumed annual return of 8% might seem like a pretty standard number, but it's actually crucial in this scenario because it helps us understand why it takes 42 years to reach our goal. With an 8% return, your money is growing steadily over time, but not so quickly that it becomes unrealistic. So we're aiming high here. Our goal is $1 million. That's what we're working towards with this consistent monthly investment strategy that we've been building up to. And it's going to take some time, but we're getting closer to seeing how it all adds up. So let's take a closer look at what that actually means. You'd have invested a total of $126,000 over those 42 years, which might seem like a lot, but we're building up to see how consistent small investments can add up to big goals. Check out this chart. Your money growing to $1 million. The overall shape here is a steady climb upwards, with some gentle ups and downs along the way. It's like watching a savings account grow over time, but at a pretty consistent pace. As you can see, it takes 42 years for that initial investment of $250 per month to reach its peak value. And what a milestone that is. Let's look at the numbers. Now, let's put this into perspective. With a consistent investment of just $250 every month, you can reach your goal of becoming a millionaire in an astonishing 42 years. That's right, folks, it's not about breaking the bank or making some crazy sacrifice, but rather about being patient and persistent. And remember, we've already calculated that this is what it takes to get there. No more, no less. That's a long time. But here's the thing. It's not about how much you can save right now. It's about making consistent progress toward your goals. And if you start early and stick to it, that $250 monthly habit can add up to over $126,000 in just 42 years. Who knows what kind of impact that could have on your life? Now, let's take a closer look at the fine print. As we mentioned earlier, to reach our goal of $1 million, you need to invest just $250 every month for 42 years. But here's what's really important. These numbers are based on some big assumptions. Specifically, an annual return of 8%. That's a pretty standard benchmark in the investing world. And if markets don't move in a straight line, this calculation might not hold up. So, keep in mind that real life is a lot more complicated than our simple math. By the time you hit that goal, you'll have actually put in around $126,000. Not bad for your consistent effort.